a theory has been consolidated into a control circuit. The theory is too profound, and this generally loosely a term very loosely used is a switching transformer. Their performance can vary from the least powerful to the most powerful. In this case, it's very powerful. So some vacuum tubes, both AC and DC caps, is being introduced. Transistor and MOSFET field effect modules. Basically, they can be replacing each other. Just MOSFET is more powerful than transistors. In this case, there is a pair of transistors, vacuum tubes, both AC and DC capacitors. And this is the power supply. This one powered by coils. Coil is a 5-star General Stars, 5-star hexagon spaced design. Is a General Star, nothing special. This coil is a test unit. The spread, the spacing, and everything in this unit requires special attention. Probably require a MOSFET, but we do not have a MOSFET, so we will live up with it. It's designed to have a gentle pulse, but the pulse is not switching at the moment. Cannot sustain the motions. It's designed to pulse very gently to see the reaction of the unit. So we might not power it up because I just do not have the time. So we hop straight into the mysterious control circuit. Tesla coil, Tesla power supply. This little unit will be a Tesla power supply. We will look into the mysterious trinities. The trinity should not exist in front of your naked eyes, but however it makes its presence, it makes its way to your naked eyes. So the control circuit is so simple that would change everything. You can see in this instance a direct current and alternating current. In between is a neon vacuum lighting. DC caps and AC caps, you have break no laws, you have break no rules, and it's just the way it is to obtain powers. It's much like a spark gaps in this case, where you should ground it, where you should have the percentual difference. And another case, they have been arguing free energies for ages. It's not possible. It's not there. It's nonsense. It is everything said. The energy is always there. It's always present. What ignorance is likely to be what ignorance is likely to be the to be the remainings, to be the however you can see the alphabet, the latest the last alphabet is a C or is a Z. You see clearly a comment. It provides two equal and opposite energy pathways. Now, in a lower setting, you can see two transistors, both very nice and neat, and two transistors has been placed in a mirror image just to make the life easier. You can see clearly direct currents, equal and opposite directions. And the general way to address the energy, we put a AC alternating caps here. There you go, as simple as it is. And this is why in the beginning of the video the control circuit has a dual transistor, the mysterious trinities. Often you see others user has a bank of modules, a bank of transistors. In this very instance, you can have a closer look of why they bank MOSFETs together, why they bank transistor together. If you look closer, you see each point of the transistor, I place a small rectangle square as its connector. It's just too messy. The circuit diagram would look crazy. Each square, the connector is connected. I just place a square to indicate they are connected. And direct current in the third pair of wire, we are generally expecting energy to be present. We place a cap there. So where ground should go, where you should ground it, you ground it. Where you should have a potential difference, you apply power to it. Common, and they split into equal and opposite direction. Come down. The trinities is where the fruit is, where the juice is. We're generally expecting powers. Simple. A bank of modules indicates there is a referred of energies. So, a Tesla coil with a spark gaps, and the voltage in this type of hardware, the voltage easily rise above 100 volt, and it's not very difficult. It's very practical for home builders, and it's great fun. So this is the very first time we discussed internal control and the control circuit, which is most valuable. That it might change someone's lives.